Hello. So I'm doing some plant chores and I decided why not film it, because I'm doing it anyway, so I might as well show you guys. I have some sad looking plants over here, but we're going to try to save them. This one I've already saved once before, so I'm confident I can do it again. This soil does not retain like any moisture, it just goes right through the pot. So I think that's why it's having a hard time. So I'm going to give it some new soil, hopefully it'll hold the water better. Got my repotting mat here, got my tools. ShopTeacherPlants.com for all of your houseplant tools. Alright, so I have some plain potting mix right here, but I'm going to add some worm castings and some cactus mix so I can aerate it a little bit, because this is some thick potting mix. I need to make it a little airier. Airier? You guys know what I mean. This is worm poop, and I was against this for so long because I was terrified of it, but it just looks like soil. It just looks like black soil, but it's so beneficial for plants. Ugh. Just be careful not to flick it into my face. It still grosses me out a little bit. Tie her back up. And this is just some regular old cactus mix from Star Nursery. Careful not to breathe that in. Should be wearing a mask, but we're risking it for the biscuit today. I'm not dealing with perlite. When I deal with perlite, I always wear a mask. The soil that I have is kind of damp, so I'm just gonna try to cover the dry dirt with it so it doesn't smoke up. We like chunky soil around here. So this is a rattlesnake calathea, and I don't know what happened, because this was like one of my best calatheas, but as soon as winter got here, it just declined really bad. But we got one leaf that's trying to live, so I'm gonna see, I don't know, I'm gonna see if there's any like roots attached, because I think I might try to, I don't know, I'm debating now. Should I repot it or just try to propagate it? I feel like I should just try to propagate this one. Let's take a look at it. Right there. Make sure there's no bugs. But I'm just gonna try to see if I can get it out of the pot. I'm scared of bugs. Yeah, this soil is so dense. Oh my god. Alright, I think it was root rot. I think that was the problem. Okay, I'm just gonna try to like wiggle the leaf out of there, because I don't really want to get all in there, to be honest. As I'm getting all in there, just trying to find some roots, man. Oh, this soil, man, it's so dense. That's how it died. Should have repotted it sooner, but time got away from me. That's okay, it happens. Try to be hard on yourself. If you kill plants, you can always get another one. Is that a corm? Do calatheas have corms? What the? If they do, I'm about to lose it, because I just found one. Holy crap. I'm gonna Google this, but I think this is a corm. Holy crap. Now I don't need to buy another one. I can grow another one myself. Look at that. I'm gonna Google it, but I'm pretty sure. Okay, well now I'm gonna look for more. Shit. Try to find where. Okay. So, I think I got it. Old roots. Okay. Not bad, not bad. We're gonna try to revive this baby. This soil was so dense, I feel so bad. It basically just suffocated because of how dense it was. Sorry, dude. Do not want any of this soil. I usually like to reuse soil, but this is all nasty. Too dense. That's a good sign right there. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, my battery's about to die. Hold on. isn't big enough. I don't even know if these roots are these roots. Oh. Alright. Okay. So barely any roots. The roots that I thought were attached fell off, but this is a really healthy root right here. So I think we have a good shot. And this right there, I think that's a root. I'm gonna try it in a pot for a couple days, but if it starts to go downhill, I'm just gonna put it in water because I feel like it'll have a good chance in water, but this is obviously faster. So I'm gonna try it, but we don't know. We don't know until we try. One little leaf. She's awfully cute. Or he. We don't care around here. Alright. We will see. I will keep you guys updated on this little guy. And since that's a calathea, they like humidity, so I put him on like a little bed of rocks along with a couple other little babies that like humidity. I'll show you. Now I'm going to try to bring back this Ficus Audrey. She's not dead, but this thing has gotten spider mites twice, and I've just never seen it thrive, you know? Ooh, the pot seems a little heavy, so I'm not sure. Oh well, there's not much in it, so I'll show you guys. There we go. See that little green? There's a little bit of growth going on, so I know she's not dead, and when you do this, they're still green right there. Can you see that? This is a good way to see if something is dead or not. Just give it a little scratch, and if it's green, you're good to go. Ugh, this one feels not good. Oh gosh, what are we looking at here? Not liking this. Not liking this. There's too much soil for this little thing. Surprised it has this much roots, to be honest. It doesn't look like rot. I'm gonna put it into, ooh, there's a net or something. Oh, I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I love plants, but I hate bugs. Okay, I'm gonna hurry up and get this back. So I'm not gonna reuse the soil because, ew. Let me get my gnat traps going. It's almost springtime, so they're coming too. I don't want them. I really don't. I like to use these for a couple different things. One is getting the water out of saucers that have just been sitting there. You can just take it out. And then two is when I'm repotting, I like to like use it as a little like dig tool, kind of. Not like a shovel, but I like to make like a perfect hole, and then I can repot the plant. And then I can kind of like pack it in with it. Not even going to chop off any roots or anything. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Alright. I don't have high hopes, honestly, but it's worth a shot. You're worth saving, because when this plant is thriving, it is beautiful. I got it at Walmart. I think it's a sister plant of the fiddly fig, I believe. Could be wrong, but pretty sure. I like to do this because I feel like it really gets it where it needs to go. Because sometimes when you water, you get like that hole right in the soil. I feel like this kind of prevents it a little bit. You can add more because it goes down. More soil. Right. We're gonna see how she does. Pot too, it's so cute. Thank God, it's soil. It's soil. Okay, I'm gonna take this stick out. Okay, things might start falling over, but it's okay. I'm just gonna lean her right there. Lean him right there. This is actually gonna be perfect. I wanna be careful. I don't wanna like squish any roots, so just gently twisting it in there. feel like that's pretty secure. I have these little like plant tie things. So I'm trying to see if I can attach it on there. If I could get it through one of these strings, that would be perfect, but I'm not sure if I can. Ah! Sorry. Alright, I just kind of shoved the end of it up there and it's stuck, so now I'm just gonna try and just hug the branch a little bit gently and then push it back in there. Okay, same thing on the other side. I'm gonna try to get some support on the bottom. I got the band under the string, which is fantastic. Okay, camera stopped recording, but what if I do this? What if I like intertwine a couple? Just until it gets established. Okay, it's not the prettiest, but I feel like it's gonna be happier, at least. I will let you guys know how this one does, but I think she'll be a lot happier. She has more support, so we will see. One more plant job to do. I wasn't gonna do it, but looking at her, I think she wants me to do it. I've had her for a few years, so I think it's time to repot, and hopefully it'll encourage some new growth. We'll see. Repotting with ceramic is sometimes difficult because the roots like to attach to the ceramic, so you have to kind of loosen everything up before you try to pull it out, because you'll rip off the roots if you're not careful. I don't know if she just doesn't like this pot, because I think I bought it in a plastic pot. Nope, still stuck. Sometimes you can even do this. Yep, there it is, see? Ah! Oh my god. Yeah, see? Not good. Not good. She needs a smaller pot. Did I lose any roots? That's the, oh my gosh, I hope this is not all she has. Yep. This is like, yeah, a leaf. I didn't lose any roots, so this is not good. That's a tiny root ball for this big of pot, and it wasn't like that when I put it in there, so she definitely needs a smaller pot. I'm gonna go try to find one. I found this one. I'm gonna try plastic again because she's lived in 2 ceramic pots and she hasn't liked either of them. So I'm gonna go back to plastic and see if that fixes it, because these are a little finicky for me. Let me know what you guys do for your Dieffenbachias to keep them happy, because she's struggling up in here. Okay, I don't want to mess with it too much because she's not happy with me. I'm just gonna try to pull it in. This might even be too big of a pot for her, I don't know. I don't know, but we're gonna try. A little goal of mine that I have is to repot plants when I see them declining. I feel like sometimes I just kind of try to do other things to figure it out, but I feel like a lot of the time I just need to repot. So I'm learning. We're all learning. Hopefully she likes it. Send good vibes. Well, I think that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed all of my plant chores. I hope you guys are excited for the spring season and summer season. This is like my favorite time of year because my plants thrive and it's just, you can go swimming. I just love this time of year, so yeah. If you guys haven't seen our new arrivals, I will put a little picture here. But we have some crew necks, some coasters, and beanies that are new. And I know it's getting warm, so I'm not sure how long they're gonna stay up there. But we are working on some other apparel for summertime and some other plant accessories too. So I hope you guys are excited. I'm excited. And yeah, have a wonderful rest of your day, night, whatever, wherever you are. I hope you're having a good day. and I will see you in my next video. Bye!